Hi, in this video I continue with the snap controls bar in Inkscape. So you probably noticed that the bar is divided in sections. In the first section we have only one option, enable snapping. I talked about it in the previous video. In the second section we have options that control snapping bounding boxes. In the third section we have options that control snapping nodes or handles, and in the last section we have three other options that I discussed in the previous video. And I mentioned this because the first options of the second and third sections are sort of like a master switch. If you turn them off, you won't be able to use the rest of the options in the section. And this one is off by default, so let's turn it on, and you see that the rest of the options become active. We can now select them. They're not on, so let's go ahead and turn the first one on, and this one will allow us to snap to edges of a bounding box. But first we'll need some objects, so let's grab the create rectangles and squares tool, and I'm going to create two objects. Then with select and transform tool I'm going to grab one of them, move it close to the edge, and you see that it snapped. Now let's go ahead and turn the next option on, and the previous one I'll deactivate, and this one is called snap to bounding box corners. So if I grab my object and move it around here, you'll see that it will not snap to the edges of the bounding box, but if I move it to the corner, you'll see that now I snap to the bounding box corner. Now let's turn off this option and activate the next one, snap from and to midpoints of bounding box edges. So if I select this object now, I'm supposed to snap here exactly to the midpoint of this object's bounding box edge. This can be a great way to align objects. Now let's turn this one off and turn the next one on, and this one is called snapping from and to centers of bounding boxes. And I'm also going to change the color of this object to red, and I'll select this one, and this option is on, and I'm going to move this object over here, and you see we'll get this bounding box midpoint to bounding box midpoint. So as you can see, very useful options, and I'm going to continue with the rest of them in the next tutorial, and I hope that this one was useful. If it was, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, visit my channel, and that's it for now. Bye.